Good morning everyone. Today we'll start with the next topic, that is cube roots. Okay. So cube we had already done in our previous class. Now we'll start with cube roots. Okay. So when we talk about cube roots, then the first thing which we need to remember is what is the symbol of cube root. That is this. This is the symbol of cube roots. Okay. Now what do we need to discuss? How to find cube roots. Okay, so first of all what we need to know is that one cube we know is 1. That means cube root of 1 is also 1. Okay, similarly the cube of 2 is 8. So the cube root of 8 will be 2. Similarly, 3 cube is equals to 27. Cube root of 27 will be 3. Okay. So, how do we find these cube roots? Okay. So, for this 8 can be prime factorized. Right? We will find the prime factors of 8, that are under root cube root 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is, we can write down cube root of 2 cube. So we can write down cube root of 8 is 2. Okay. So similar in this situation. So now this can continue for 5 cube. Similarly 6 cube. Similarly 7 cube. Okay. So this is about cube roots. Okay. When we'll find prime factors, so we can find cube roots easily. Now we need to know what are the methods to find the cube roots. Okay. So first of all, the first method is cube root by prime factorization. Okay. So cube root by prime factorization method, how we are going to do it, we'll see by one example. Okay. So the first example is we have to find the cube root of 3375. Okay, so for this cube root, what we have to do? We have to find out the prime factors. Okay, so for prime factors, we'll find the prime factors of 3375. What will be the prime factors? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Okay, next. Next thing is again by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, 22, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. Again we can do it by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Now we can't divide it by 3. So what we'll take? 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. Again by 5. 5 fives are 25. Again by 5. 5 ones are 5. So the prime factors of 3375 are 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That is, this can be a triplet and this can be a triplet. So this will be 3 cube multiplied by 5 cube. Okay. Now how we are going to write it down? We can write cube root of 3375 equals to cube root of 3 cube multiplied by 5 cube. This whole number equals to this. So we can write down like this. So now the cube root will be 3, this only the number single, multiplied by this only this number 5. So 15. So the cube root of 3375 is 15. This is prime factorization. method for cube roots. Now we will see another method. Okay, another method is cube root of a cube number, that is by estimation. Okay, cube root of a cube number, this we are going to find using estimation. For example, if we take an example 857375 and we are asked to find the cube root of this number, what we have to do? We have to find the cube root. For this, what we are going to do? We are going to take the full number and we are going to divide it into groups. Like 857375 can be divided into two groups of threes, right? So 857 is one number and 375 is other number. Now on taking the first number 375, what do we know? That the number ends in 5. One's digit is 5. So we know that 5 comes at units place number only when its cube root ends in 5. That means cube root will end in 5. That's why here 5 is coming. Okay, this was the property we had studied in the previous class also. So as 5 is coming, so we can guess that at units digit what will come? 5. Okay, for this cube root. Okay, next now taking 857. Okay, now what we know is that 9 cube equals to 729 and 10 cube equals to 1000. We know that 729 is less than 857 and 857 is less than 1000. Okay, so what we can take the cube root? We'll take the ones place here, the ones place of the smaller number, that is 729. From these the smaller number is this. We'll take ones place of this number, that is 9, and we'll place it in the cube root at tens place. This is tens place. So the cube root of this will be estimated to 95. This is estimate. Okay. Similarly, if we do the other one, okay. So what we can do is, now what we are going to do? We are going to find the cube root of 17576. This is the other example. For this, what we have to do? We have to find the groups. So how we'll group this in numbers? We'll form 3 groups. Okay, let us form 3 groups. Okay, so the first group will be forming groups 3 starting from the rightmost digit. We have to form 3 groups, means 2 groups we will form here. We have to form a group of 3 numbers. So here this will be a number and this will be a group. We have to always start from the rightmost digit. We have to start taking 3 digits at a time. But if there are only 2, so we will keep 2. Okay. So now what we will do? We will take 576. We know that the cube root of this number will have 6 at one's position, because we know that cube root will have 6. Okay. Now other group we will take 17. We know that 4 into 4 is 16. Okay. And 17 lies between cube root first we are seeing. So we can't take this. This is the square root. Okay. So we will find cube roots. 2 cube equals to 8 and 3 cube equals to 27. Right? So 8 is smaller than 17 is smaller than 27. what we have to take? We have to take ones digit of the smaller number. So ones digit of the smaller number, so here what we have to remember is that we have to take the cube root number. For example, this we have cube root as 2. Okay, 2. And for this we have 3. So we have to take ones digit, that means 2. So we have to place 2 at the tens position, that is 26. So the cube root of 576 is 26. This is called estimation, cube root by estimation. For this, now we have this exercise 7.2 on page number 116. You all can look at your books. Find the cube root each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. This you can do easily. Okay. Now you have to state true or false. Cube of any odd number is even. Now you have to take examples for all of these and you will be able to solve the true and false for these. Okay. Now you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4913, 121. Similar thing. The examples we have done estimation here. So we can do in the similar manner. So you have to do exercise 7.2 for your homework. I hope you have understood cube roots. Thank you, class.